Happy Thursday, everybody. This daily math brought to you by Hot Tamales. This is how your teacher's getting through the afternoon. Hopefully, you have found your good little quarantine snack, but these are one of my favorite things to eat. Fun fact about Miss Wilson. All right, let's check our math answers today. So first, we are solving, and then we're going to shade in to represent. We look and we see that we have two mixed numbers. So remember, a mixed number is a number that has a whole number part and a fraction part. All right, we have 1 4/6, and we're going to add that to 2 wholes and 1/6. So first I'm going to shade in my model. So 1 whole, and then I'll go ahead and just shade in my holes first. And then I'm going to shade in 2 holes, 1 and 2. And now I'm going to shade in the fraction parts. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'll shade in the 1/6. All right, so now I'm done shading in my model. What did I do? I added 1 plus 2. So I have 3 holes. And now I'll look at the last one. 5/6 has been shaded. So my fraction is 5/6. My whole number is 3, which makes the mixed number 3 holes and 5/6. All right, number 2, let's do a little geometry. All right, we have line AB, line GH, line EF, and line CD. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. First thing they want to know is line blank is parallel to line blank. All right, this is what we need to know. Parallel lines are lines that never cross into each other's paths. They don't intersect, they never cross each other. So which lines are running beside each other but are never going to cross? If you put line CD is parallel to line EF, or you could have reversed that. You could have said EF is parallel to CD. You are correct. EF is perpendicular to AB, and then line GH is intersecting line AB, but they are not perpendicular, okay? Maybe we'll have perpendicular next week. All right, number 3, identify the shape. So we want to try to put as many of the shape names that this could possibly be based on its attributes, so its characteristics. So we're going to look at the sides, we're going to look at the angles, and figure out all the names that this shape could be. So first we're going to look and we're going to count the sides. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this is a 4-sided figure. Any 4-sided figure is also known as a quadrilateral. All right? Can't be a square because not all of the sides are the same, and we don't have 4 right angles. It's also not a rectangle. It doesn't have 4 right angles, and the opposite sides are not the same. This is also not a rhombus because it doesn't have 4 sides that are the same. And it's also not a parallelogram because in order for it to be a parallelogram, it has to have 2 pairs of parallel sides. This shape only has 1 pair of parallel sides. So because it only has 1 pair of parallel sides, this is also known as a trapezoid. All right, number 4. Debbie is making bead necklaces. She wants to use 726 beads to make 7 necklaces. If she wants each necklace to have the same number of beads, how many beads will she have left over? All right, this is set up as a division problem. So we're going to start, get my paper settled, start with 726, and we are going to divide it by 7. So how many 7s are in 726? About 100. That's 700. So we have 26 left. How many 7s are in 26? We have about 3. 3 times 7 is 21. And we have 5 beads left. All right, so our quotient is 103 with a remainder of 5. That's the math answer. But we have to always remember, we talked about this in the classroom, always go back to the written question to make sure that you have answered what they're asking you to find. So they wanted to know how many beads will she have left over. They don't care how many necklaces she can make. They just want to know what the leftover amount is. So your answer for this question is 5 beads. She will have 5 beads left over. All right, last problem for today. We are going to multiply the unit fraction 1/4 times 12. So 1/4, 12 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fourths did we shade in? We shaded in 12 fourths, but 12 fourths is an improper fraction. 12 fourths is the same thing as having 3 wholes. All right, guys, y'all go do something fun today. Enjoy your Thursday, and I will see you next week.